Okay, hi guys, hi YouTuber. Welcome back to unboxing warp light. This package was use the 1S battery type bayang brushed 200905. So I want to unboxing. So first unboxing, never unboxing before. Alright, okay, let's check it out. What the item, what the get item. Okay, this one is rubber, o-ring rubber, just 3 pieces only. 3 pieces only. Okay, no problem. So you can see now the warp light. Okay, so now I want to my first job is to solder this item. You can see 1 2 3 4, the brushed motor socket. So the solder port was here. You can see the socket port is here. Just follow the sketch. You can see the sketch like this and put like this. Okay, through. So you need to more bend. Here need to more bend the pin. Okay, now you can listen. Rain tonight was raining. Here is another port for motor 4. Just little bend at the pin for the easy solder after this. Just follow. Here have a sketch. You just follow for the soldering. So little bend at the pin for your easy to solder after this. So the soldering, this is my solder. I use for 200, below than 200 degrees C. You can see. So solder time right now, you can see. Very small, huh? Not too easy to solder because a very small pin. Okay, tough. I try to pull down this stuff, so I think the soldering is okay. Now for another motor one. I think should be enough. Try to pull down. I think okay. Now the soldering is done. So I done to soldering. So double check for your soldering. Okay, I think it should be good. Okay, now for the forward step is soldering the battery power. For battery power, I use for this socket. The original socket it gives 1S like this, so I very like to use this socket type for the battery. For easy, I want to use this battery type of socket. Okay, solder this one ground and 5V. Here ground and 5V is for the camera, I think. Here is the for the flash, so you have a 3.3V ground, SCLK and SOI10. Okay. Okay, for the battery port to soldering is here. Okay, you can see, put the little soldering here. Okay, should be done. Here have a marking for the positive and negative. Just follow. Oh, sorry. Okay, for the soldering I not have a special tool. Special tool I don't have. Only the basic tool only. I don't have many tool for the soldering. Okay, checking. All is good. So I think for the soldering should be done. So try to put battery for tester. Okay, you can see functioning well. Just for the calibration and flash the software. So for the flash, I just use the Android phone. Alright. Okay, welcome back. For the frame, I use this frame because the original position is here at this hole, square 4, and then I chain to 1 2 3 4, and then you can put this is like this. So follow the, here have a arrow, just follow the arrow, don't be mistake, don't be like this, because this is I put front like this. Here is a front arrow, same front. So that's all. I wanted to plug the this socket for the motor. So here marking is motor 1, motor 2, motor 3 and motor 4. So I want to plug him. Okay, now to plug in the socket for motor. Super tiny, not very easy to install this socket. Super tiny, super cute. Okay, done like this, just like this only. So follow back the front. Here is for the battery. So like this. Okay, done. Okay, here we have a cable. I get this cable from the Shopee shopping, and then I just put here for the flashing. Just put, and then I think I don't want to soldering because want to pull back.